Pi Network has reignited excitement in the crypto world with a sharp price surge. After weeks of stagnation, the token jumped 11%, breaking through the stubborn resistance at 52 cents. This breakout signals a shift from a dull sideways market to renewed bullish momentum. Overcoming this ceiling suggests buyers are finally in control, hinting at a new phase for Pi. We'll explore what's driving this move, a looming supply squeeze, expert analysis, and new tech like the Pi AI Studio. We'll also consider how Bitcoin's rally is setting the stage for altcoins like Pi. By breaking down these factors, we'll reveal why Pi's recent price action could be the start of something bigger. Let's dive into the data, expert opinions, and technical signals shaping Pi's future. The story begins with this breakout. But the real reasons run much deeper. Pi's 11% price jump. It was a notable event, capturing the attention of the crypto community and sparking conversations about its potential future. Wasn't just a blip, it wasn't a fleeting moment of excitement quickly followed by a return to the status quo. This surge had more substance. It shattered weeks of dull sideways trading. For what seemed like an eternity, Pi had been stuck in a rut with little to no price movement. This breakout was a welcome change. Breaking above 52 cents, a level that had acted as a ceiling for quite some time. A key resistance signaled a real change in market sentiment. The market's perception of Pi seemed to be shifting, with more investors turning bullish. This level had repeatedly held Pi back, acting as a strong barrier that buyers struggled to overcome. Each attempt to break through was met with selling pressure, but now buyers have taken the lead. The balance of power had shifted, with buyers now in control and driving the price higher. The surge was backed by a spike in trading volume, indicating a surge of interest and activity surrounding Pi, confirming strong market participation. More people were buying and selling Pi, suggesting a growing awareness and confidence in the project. High volume during a breakout is a classic sign of a sustainable move, suggesting that the price increase is likely to continue, not just a temporary spike. It implies that there's genuine buying interest and that the price is likely to hold its gains. For long-term holders, this rally validates their patience, rewarding their commitment to the project, and renews faith in the project. It reinforces their belief in Pi's potential and its long-term viability. The narrative has shifted from waiting, from a period of uncertainty and anticipation, to witnessing real progress. The community is now seeing tangible results and milestones being achieved. Traders on the sidelines are now jumping in, eager to capitalize on the upward momentum and potential future gains, fueling further momentum. This influx of new buyers is adding fuel to the fire, driving the price even higher. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the underlying sentiment and the growing belief in Pi's potential. It's about a community seeing their belief in Pi finally rewarded. Their dedication and support are being recognized by the market. The 11% gain marks a turning point, a significant milestone in Pi's journey, with the market starting to recognize Pi's underlying developments. The progress being made on the Pi network is finally being reflected in its price. Let's look at what's fueling this optimism, and explore the factors contributing to Pi's recent success. We'll delve into the details and uncover the reasons behind this positive shift in market sentiment. The biggest catalyst? A looming supply squeeze. PiScan data shows the unlocked supply could drop by 30% by August, a massive reduction. Fewer coins on the market means buyers must compete, driving prices higher if demand holds. This isn't speculation, it's built into Pi's protocol and release schedule. Investors are already buying in anticipation, creating a self-reinforcing rally. Crypto history shows supply cuts, like Bitcoin's halvings, often spark bull runs. Pi's mechanism is different, but the economic principle is the same. Scarcity boosts value. This supply squeeze is a key reason analysts are turning bullish on Pi. It's a hard, quantifiable event that could reshape the market. The cryptocurrency market is a sea of speculation, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Amidst this volatility, expert voices are adding fuel to the bullish fire, suggesting that one particular cryptocurrency, Pi, may have finally found its bottom. These analysts, with their intricate charts and deep market knowledge, are painting a picture of potential recovery and growth. Dr. Altcoin, a respected analyst known for his accurate predictions and insightful market commentary, believes Pi's recent low at 40 cents could very well be its final bottom. This bold statement is turning heads and sparking conversations within the investment community. Is this a genuine turning point, or just another false dawn in the volatile world of crypto? Identifying a true bottom in any market is a notoriously tough task, a challenge that has humbled even the most seasoned investors. It requires a blend of technical analysis, fundamental understanding, and a healthy dose of intuition. However, the repeated bounces at the 40 cents mark are hard to ignore, suggesting strong buyer support at this level. Each time the price dips, buyers emerge, preventing further declines. This level has gradually become a psychological floor for PI, a point where investors perceive significant value and are willing to step in and buy. This perceived safety net is giving investors the confidence to step in and accumulate PI, further reinforcing the support level. Dr. Altcoin's optimistic view isn't just based on price action, it's also grounded in technical signals and underlying fundamentals. He sees a confluence of factors pointing towards a potential recovery. Key among these factors is the upcoming supply cut, a mechanism designed to reduce the number of PI tokens in circulation, potentially driving up the price. And the anticipation surrounding new tech launches is also playing a significant role, injecting excitement and optimism into the PI community. These developments promise to enhance the utility and value of the PI network. When influential analysts like Dr. Altcoin publicly call a bottom, their words carry weight and can significantly impact market sentiment. It often sparks renewed buying activity as investors who were previously hesitant jump back into the market, hoping to capitalize on the potential upside. This influx of buying pressure helps establish a stronger foundation for a new uptrend, potentially reversing the previous downtrend and setting the stage for sustained growth. For everyday investors navigating the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, this expert optimism can serve as a valuable guide, offering insights into potential opportunities. However, it's crucial to remember that no prediction is foolproof, and it's never wise to follow any advice blindly without conducting thorough research and due diligence. Despite the inherent risks, the consensus among analysts is gradually growing, suggesting a shift in market dynamics. The perceived downside risk associated with PI is shrinking, indicating that the potential for further price declines may be limited. Simultaneously, the upside potential is building, suggesting that PI may be poised for significant growth in the near future. Combined with other bullish factors, such as increasing adoption rates and growing community support, this narrative is rapidly shifting market sentiment, creating a more favorable environment for PI. The strong support zone around 40 cents could very well mark the definitive end of PI's recent decline, signaling a potential trend reversal. This could be the start of a new chapter in PI's journey, a period of renewed growth and expansion. As more traders buy into this optimistic story and begin accumulating PI, driven by the belief in its future potential, the foundation for higher prices gets stronger and more resilient, making it increasingly difficult for the price to fall back down. It appears that PI may have finally turned the corner, leaving behind the challenges of the past and embracing a brighter future. Let's delve deeper and see how new technology and developments within the PI network are further adding to this positive momentum. PI network isn't just about price, it's building real utility. The launch of PI Studio lets developers create AI-powered apps for PI's massive user base. This move aims to make PI more than a speculative token by tying its value to real-world applications. AI is booming, and PI is positioning itself at the heart of this revolution. Apps built on PI Studio could drive organic demand for the coin, creating a cycle of growth. Real utility is what separates lasting projects from hype-driven ones. By empowering its global community to innovate, PI is laying the groundwork for a thriving ecosystem. This focus on substance over speculation is a major plus for long-term investors. The PI AI Studio isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence. It represents a bold step forward, integrating AI directly into the PI network's ecosystem. This integration isn't just about adding features, it's about creating a new paradigm for decentralized AI accessibility. It's a gateway to a massive market. A market that spans continents and industries, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and innovation. The potential reach is staggering, connecting users from every corner of the globe to the power of AI. Analyst Mr. Spock predicts that if PI captures even 1% of the projected $16 trillion AI market by 2030, a figure that underscores the immense scale of the AI revolution, its market cap could hit $160 billion. This valuation would not only be a testament to PI's success, but also a clear indicator of its significant impact on the AI landscape. That would put Pi among the world's top cryptocurrencies, solidifying its position as a major player in the digital economy. It would be a remarkable achievement, placing Pi alongside established giants in the crypto world. While this is highly speculative and subject to the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, it highlights the scale of the opportunity Pi is targeting. It's a glimpse into the potential future, a future where Pi plays a pivotal role in the AI-driven world. Even a fraction of this market could send Pi's price soaring, creating significant returns for early adopters and long-term holders. The potential for exponential growth is undeniable. Of course, breaking into the AI sector is a huge challenge, with fierce competition from tech giants who have already invested heavily in AI research and development. Overcoming these challenges will require innovation, strategic partnerships, and a relentless focus on user needs. But the prediction isn't a guarantee. It's a vision of what's possible if Pi's ecosystem takes off and gains widespread adoption. It's a roadmap, not a promise, outlining the potential rewards for those who believe in Pi's vision. For investors, this long-term potential is a powerful motivator to hold through volatility, understanding that the journey to success is rarely a straight line. It's about seeing the bigger picture and believing in the long-term value of the project. The AI Studio is Pi's ticket to play in one of the fastest-growing industries on the planet, positioning it at the forefront of technological innovation. It's a strategic move that could define Pi's future for years to come. It's a bold bet, but one that could redefine Pi's future, transforming it from a promising cryptocurrency into a leading force in the AI revolution. The stakes are high, but the potential rewards are even higher. Pi's rally isn't happening in isolation. Bitcoin's surge is lifting the whole crypto market. As Bitcoin pushes toward new highs, it creates a wave of optimism that spills over to altcoins like Pi. When Bitcoin does well, investors become more willing to take risks on smaller projects. This flow of capital into altcoins is a classic crypto cycle. Pi's breakout coincides with Bitcoin's strength, amplifying its momentum. Positive sentiment from Bitcoin attracts new investors to the space, many of whom discover Pi. While Bitcoin's rally sets the stage, Pi's own fundamentals are driving its unique story. The combination of a bullish market and Pi's project-specific catalysts is especially powerful. This synergy is what makes Pi's current rally stand out. Technical analysis is confirming the bullish case for Pi. The MACD indicator, a favorite among traders, just flashed a bullish crossover for Pi. This signal, where the MACD line crosses above the signal line, suggests a new uptrend is starting. The crossover comes after a long period of sideways trading, adding weight to the move. For traders, this is a green light to enter or hold positions. The MACD's confirmation, combined with strong fundamentals, creates a compelling setup. Technicals tell us when to act, fundamentals tell us why. With both lining up, Pi's rally looks well supported. This isn't just a random spike, it's a move backed by data and momentum. Pi's 11% surge and breakout above 52 cents are the result of multiple bullish forces converging. A looming 30% supply cut, the launch of Pi AI Studio, and expert calls of a final bottom are all fueling optimism. Bitcoin's rally is providing a supportive backdrop, drawing new eyes to Pi. The MACD's bullish signal adds technical confirmation to the story. This mix of shrinking supply, new utility, expert sentiment, and a strong market environment is a rare alignment. While nothing is guaranteed, Pi is in its strongest position in years. The recent rally could be just the beginning for Pi and its global community. The next chapter is unfolding. Will Pi seize its moment?